Hey everyone, Brad Connors here. Just wanted to give you a brief update on something that took place at SEI or is taking place. So, as you know, if you own SEI, we hire them to be able to look after investment advisors. They have this big 3-page checklist that they go through and ask different questions. Do they have family pictures on their desk? Like all these different things. Anyway, they have came to us, and you're going to get a letter if you haven't received it already that said Coho is one of the large cap value managers. They're going to be replaced by Schaefer Cullen High Dividend. So SEIs did their due diligence. They've been watching. They've been looking, and they think it's the best interest of our clients to make that adjustment. It's happening in my own account as well. So letters are in the mail. You're going to see it's going to happen. If you have a non-qualified account, they're going to pay attention to taxes as best they can. About 60% of that portfolio, we think, will transfer in, meaning if you own shares of a stock, hopefully that stock is owned by Schaefer Cullen and they don't have to sell it. But they'll manage through that. We hire them to be the experts, and that's what's going on. So it's going to happen on October 31st. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We think it's the right thing to do. That's why we hired SEI. But if there's any questions you have, please reach out. We're certainly here to answer those for you, but just wanted to give you a personal touch exactly what's going on. Have a great day and have a great fall.